Hey everyone, Vince here with Life with Vince Luu, and today is Monday. And on Mondays, we talk real estate on this channel. Today, I specifically want to talk about how my YouTube skills has translated over to my career as a California real estate agent. And before we get to the video, if you can do me a favor and hit that like button, it'd really help me out just so we make sure to keep growing this channel and to spread the knowledge. I not only talk about real estate on this channel, I talk about a lot of other things. Jiu-jitsu, powerlifting, ultra running. I have a weekly Q&A. I have a weekly live stream. I do review videos from time to time. There is a little bit of something for everyone. So with that being said, let's get into it. And the first skill that has really transferred from YouTube to real estate is my on-camera presence. And I know I'm not on camera that much as a real estate agent. From time to time I am in my virtual walkthroughs, in my home tours, things like that. But when I say on-camera presence, I more mainly mean my public speaking. I more mainly mean my executive presence, because that is a real thing. Speaking to a camera day in and day out has really helped prep me, at least on that engagement when I engage with other people as a real estate agent. And the second skill that has really transferred from YouTube to my career as a real estate agent is my camera skills. In front of the camera, behind the camera. I'm so glad that I started YouTube when I did, because now that I'm doing these virtual tours, now that I'm doing these walkthroughs, I actually know how to use my camera. I'm not fumbling around. And I think with my current virtual tours that I've done 3 walkthroughs and then 1 virtual live tour, and they've gone pretty well for what they are, and it's only getting better. And I wouldn't have been able to have that on camera and also behind the camera and knowing how to use the camera if I didn't start YouTube. And skill number 3 that has really transferred over is my editing skills in Final Cut Pro. And yes, I'm not that great at editing still, though I do know the basics, so that when I am putting together a video, when I am putting together a virtual walkthrough, I can do so and it doesn't look that bad. And lastly, skill number 4, the art of making a good thumbnail. And yes, some of my old thumbnails weren't all that great, but that was just because I was lazy. Though the last 3 or 4 videos, I've really tried to up my thumbnail game, because I do want to have that skill, and that skill has really carried over. And I don't make thumbnails per se as a real estate agent, though I do make marketing material. I did have to make my own Facebook business page, and then I had to make my own banner. So instead of paying someone to do that, I could do all of this myself. And I honestly think that there is a lot of value, and especially the skill sets cross over a lot. You would be surprised. It's not only this, but a lot of other things as well. And I'm just really glad that I started YouTube when I did, because now that I am a full-time real estate agent, I can use those skills as a real estate agent. Because I think if I would have started my YouTube journey after I was a full-time real estate agent, I would have absolutely no time or the patience to learn both real estate and YouTube at the same time. So I'm just glad I started when I did. So if I had to go back and redo it all over again with this YouTube journey, with this real estate journey, I would say I would do it the same way, because start as a YouTuber before, so that when you get into real estate, you already have those skills. So for anyone studying right now for the real estate license, I would say think about YouTube or becoming a small YouTuber, because it could possibly help you. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. On this YouTube channel, I'll come out with daily content. Mondays, real estate. Tuesdays, Q&A. Wednesdays, live stream. Thursdays, miscellaneous. Fridays, jiu-jitsu. Saturdays, review/searchable videos. And Sundays, ultra running. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here. And there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.